must have heard about people making money from blogging and vlogging. You can actually make so much money from freelance services, and you can offer these services to clients all around the world.
Bring me my money. Get this money.
Freelance services is one of the overlooked ideas that people don't really explore. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork has been giving freelancers the opportunity to showcase their services and serve customers from all over the world. So it's very easy to get started on this platform. All you have to do is go to Fiverr or go to Upwork, depending on the one you are interested in. You can even use both so that you can make lots of money from the process, because clients are going to hire you from both platforms, and of course that's more money for you. So when you get to the platform, all you have to do is sign up by opening an account, enter your email, verify your account, and you are good to go. It is that easy. You just have to set your parameters and list the services that you are going to be offering, and once that is done, your profile is ready to be showcased to clients all over the world. Once any customer or any clients from either Fiverr or Upwork sees what you're doing, your advertisement is going to pop up as a search. They are going to message you. From there, you are going to start your journey. So I would advise you to actually start with low rates. Low rates is going to help you attract more customers and showcase these services that you are very, very confident about. Once you start from there, over time you begin to have more gigs. You begin to have more customers that you are offering these services to. Then you can spread and expand from there to other areas that you really know that you are passionate about. Now, it is very true that some of us can get so busy to the point where we forget to cook, or we are not able to cook, and we start looking for where to get some meals. That's where I think you can come in and take advantage of this untapped area as well. So what you have to do is prepare meals, cook very good meals, and then you deliver it to those who are very busy. You can visit working sites or people who are working from home and are not able to go to the market. You can actually tell them about your service. Many times I wish I have someone to offer me such a service, because sometimes I can be so busy. I work from home, obviously. I personally need someone that can actually cook for me, bring the food to me at home, and I just pay them. I don't have to bother about what I'm going to eat or how to go out to the market, get some foodstuffs, and come back to start cooking. You can tap into this area to start making some money if you are someone who can cook very well. There are so many people like this out there, even in work sites like construction sites, that you can actually prepare meals for, take it right there, give them meals, and then they pay you for it. You can also create a business card and post it on your WhatsApp status. Your customers in this particular gig are in your contact list. Trust me, you are going to find your customers in your contact list. They are going to contact you, and you can definitely start offering these services, cooking for them, and charge them a small fee to save them the stress of going to the market or trying to look for what to eat, because they are very busy. Time after time, they are going to keep ordering from you on a daily basis, morning, afternoon, and evening, without you getting to stress yourself about advertising anymore, because you can utilize the power of WhatsApp status to promote this service to people in your contact list. You must have heard about people making money from blogging and vlogging. So blogging, on the other hand, involves you creating a blog using WordPress, and then you can start posting content on that particular page or that particular blog, which gives value, content that gives value to people, so they can always come to your blog to read and perhaps news or learn something new on a daily basis. So how you make money from blogging is when your blog begins to attract traffic. So many people coming to your blog to read your post or read your news or whatever it is, you are going to attract people that would want to advertise with you, and that's how you make money. So you charge a particular fee for them to advertise on your blog. You can also make money from Google AdSense by Google using your blog to place adverts, and they pay you commissions for the clicks that they are going to be getting from your blog as those adverts are being watched or clicked on. So blogging is one element or one aspect that you can really take advantage of and start making money online. On the other hand, vlogging involves you creating a video about a particular subject or yourself or a particular product on a daily basis. You create something like a YouTube channel, and then you start promoting those videos, start posting those videos, and when people find these videos very interesting, they keep watching these videos. And YouTube, on the other hand, will start placing adverts on your videos, and you start making money from every view view that you get on those videos. You can do this with your smartphone device. You don't need any capital or any much resources. You can start this side hustle method and you can start making money from it. How cool can that be? So another side hustle idea that people are using to cash out right now is what they call dog walking or pet sitting. So this simply means that you help other people take care of their pets and walk their dog when they are away or when they are not around, and you can make significant amount of money doing this. But the downside of this is that you can only do this in your local area. So you can simply look for those with dogs or pets and tell them you can help them look after their pets so they don't mess up the entire house, don't mess up the entire place when they are away. Because yes, trust me, my own dog is fond of messing up the entire place whenever I'm not around. So it's not a bad idea for someone to look for people to look after their pets when they are not away, and that's where you come in to make significant amount of money during their services. Alright, so if you're not able to find people in your local area to look after their pets or walk their dog, you can make use of platforms like Rover or wagwalking.com to look for clients in your local area to look after their pets and walk their dog, and they can pay you significant amount of money carrying out this service. A lot of people are pet lovers, they are dog lovers. So if you're a dog lover or a pet lover, you can take advantage of this kind of idea to make money from it in the process. You can enjoy being with the dogs or whatever pets you like being with, and of course you also get paid in the process. It is that simple. So head over to wagwalking or rover.com and you open an account, and yes, you are good to go to start making money pet sitting or dog walking. As a teacher teaching whatever you know online, you can take advantage of online tutoring platforms like VIP Kid and Chegg. You must not really be a teacher to use this platform to actually show other people and teach them what you can do. Over time, you begin to make money from these things that you teach online. So because you're going to find people out there who are looking for who to teach them about several things. So many people are looking for one-on-one tutoring classes so they can understand the rudiments of what they want to learn better. And I feel that Chegg and VIP Kids are platforms that can help you actualize that. Without breaking any sweat, you can use Chegg or VIP Kids to teach people what you know. So to get started, come to Chegg or the VIP Kid platform and you open an account, verify your email as usual, and you are good to go. So here's another one for those who are very creative personally. So you can make and sell handmade crafts like jewelry, candles, artwork, and so much more to a global audience. There are specific platforms that help you carry out these activities. So whether you are producing candles or you are creating artworks or you are making shoes, needles, or toothpicks, whatever it is that you are able to create, you can start selling these handmade crafts on platforms like Etsy. So all you have to do after creating your product is come to etsy.com, open an account. Same way, you have to verify your email, confirm, and then you come and post your products to this website. Customers from all around the world, you're going to be able to sell them for a reasonable amount of money to clients all around the world. You can also specify the location where you want your clients to come from on Etsy, and that's also very beautiful. So you can send these products to these clients from your local dispatch services. They can be way-billed or transported to the clients from wherever they are all around the world, and that's a win-win situation for you depending on the product of sale and your area of interest. You can decide to get paid either with your local currency or cryptocurrency. That is also going to be a win-win situation for you. Like I said earlier, whether you're a tailor or producing candles, artwork, or a shoemaker, you can start selling all of those products on Etsy.com today. A vast majority of people have been utilizing this next idea to make so much money for so many years, and this is dropshipping. Dropshipping actually involves selling other people's products without having inventory. This simply means that you don't need to have a product before you can sell it. So you can start with $0 and then you can make so much money selling products that you don't have. How this works is that you get the price of a product from another seller for a very cheaper rate. Then you create an online store and market this product at a higher price. Then you make profit. You can get a cheaper price of the product from Amazon, and then you come to Shopify or WooCommerce, create an online store, and then showcase these products. When a buyer shows interest in the product that you are showcasing, you go back to the seller at Amazon or whatever Chinese website that you are able to find cheaper products. You order those products in the name of the customer whom have ordered the product from your Shopify or WooCommerce shop. Order the product in the name of that customer. Then the product is shipped directly from the primary seller to the address of the customer whom have previously ordered that product from your shop. You just pay the actual price of the product and you take the added price, which is now your profit. And that's how you repeat the process over and over again, and you make countless profits doing that simple thing. So it simply means that you can flip products like mobile phone devices, laptops, or whatever product you can find. So to create your own online shop, so you can start your dropshipping business, you come to Shopify or WooCommerce and you create the online store right here using your email address and showcase the products that you are going to be selling. You can get started today doing dropshipping. Do you know you can also make so much money by renting out your space? You know, you can use your underutilized gadgets, space, or property to make so much money. You know, if you have a 3-bedroom, a 4-bedroom, 5-bedroom duplex, or a house that one of the rooms are not being used, you can rent that out on Airbnb and you can make so much money using that. And if you have a car that you don't frequently use, you can put it on taxi services using platforms like Lyft or Uber, and of course you can start charging a ride. You can start making so much money doing that. Social media management is another wonderful way you can use to start making quick money right now, because a lot of people, businesses and companies, both small and big businesses, are looking for people to help them manage their social media accounts. This simply means that you're going to be helping them post engaging content on their social media handles like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. You will have to post engaging content, help them promote this content to get likes, views, comments, and all of that. You are going to be charging fees for doing this. You can be charging per post or on a monthly basis. Depending on how you want to render these services, you can charge per post or per month, depending on you. You can take advantage of platforms like Fiverr to promote this particular service. You know, another beautiful thing about it is you can also create awareness for companies, small business owners, and churches that do not have social media accounts. You are going to help them create the social media accounts, post content for them, and you start charging them on a monthly basis. Over time, you are going to be able to expand this business. At the time, you will not be able to carry out all of these services yourself, so you are going to be able to expand this business, hire helping hands, and of course you'll be on your way to start growing a social media management brand. You can start this business using just your smartphone, install these social media apps. You can log in and out of all the clients' accounts to create and manage their posts, which in turn is going to start making so much money for you. So I want to especially thank you if you're a new subscriber to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you subscribing. My name is Bliss Zion. Thank you for sticking with me on this one. I'll see you in the next one.